Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to actually fix a really huge problem in Excel, which is sometimes you go and you forget to put a data between, for example, for my case, I have, for example, here Jennifer and Joshua, and I forgot to put, for example, David between them. So how can I really fix the problem and how can I enter a new line in this cell between these two? That's what I'm going to show you today. So first of all, guys, go ahead and open your Excel sheet, project or blank project. And to start this, draw your table, put your information, and let's start with it. So now go between or go to the line where you want to put, for example, David. So I want to be in the eighth line. Now I go here, click right, and click on insert. As you can see, a new line has been added for me, which is in the 8th line. Joshua has been put down. And now I can just copy, for example, David and put it over here. I can put his informations and nothing will be actually affected. So everything is good. Nothing is affected with this problem. So I can, for example, do it again here. Let me just add, for example, between Robert and James. I can go here, uh, insert, and here we go. Nothing has been changed. For example, Robert information has been gone with it, so nothing has been staying up or something goes down. So everything is really organized. Of course, you can do the same thing for columns or rows. So if you come here, for example, you can just click here and insert, and it will be inserted for you on your row. So yeah, guys, once again, if you want to go and insert some new line, you go here, click right, insert, and that's it. So thank you guys a lot for watching and see you in the next video.